Hey, literature lovers, Alicia Basham here. I'm here to do another unboxing. We are doing our LitJoy To Be Read box. I'm a little bit behind on this. So, we are going to start off with our Espresso Patronum candle. Ooh. And it looks like a little, almost kind of looks like a Seattle Coffee Company one, but it's not. And it's got ice cubes in it. Ooh, they're soft. They're like jelly. Smells like a caramel drink or something. All right, next we have our pencil holder. And it says writer's block. And it's a block. All right. And next we have our storybook key. I'm not sure what key this is. Let's see, our little booklet. Zeus Greek mythology key. So this is a Zeus Greek mythology key. It's pretty nice. I like the lightning bolts. Alright, next we have a bookmark and it says I fell asleep here. And I do believe it's magnet. Yeah, it's magnetic. Next we have our pen, which opens if I can get it. And it's Alice in Wonderland Down the Rabbit Hole. That's pretty cool. I like that. It's very colorful. And then next, we have our Alice in Wonderland teacup. Looks very old-fashioned. And then the plate that goes with it, of course. Isn't that pretty? I love that. It's like the perfect size teacup. And then next we have our composition notebook socks. Let's open these up and see if they're soft or anything. They are pretty soft. I might wear those. Alright, and then next we have our newest journal. It looks like Beauty and the Beast. Look at that. Stained glass window. Look. I love that. I almost don't want to write in it. It's so pretty. And then last but not least, we have our book. And this is number 3 in the series. All This Twisted Glory. Ooh, I love the purple ribbon and then the silver foiling. And I have not read the other books, so I'm not going to read this, but I will read the thing to tell you what it is about. As the long-lost heir to the Jin throne, Eliza has finally found her people, and she might have found her crown. Cyrus, the mercurial ruler of Tulan, has offered her his kingdom in a twisted exchange, one that would begin with their marriage and end with his murder. Cyrus's dark reputation precedes him. All the world knows of his blood-soaked past. Killing him should be easy, and accepting his offer might be the only way to fulfill her destiny and save her people. But the more Eliza learns of him, the more she questions whether the terrible stories about him are true. Ensnared by secrets, Cyrus has ached for Eliza since she first appeared in his dreams many months ago. Now that he knows those visions were planted by the devil, he can hardly bear to look at her, much less endure her company. But despite their best efforts to despise each other, Eliza and Cyrus are drawn together over and over with an all-consuming thirst that threatens to destroy them both. Meanwhile, Prince Cameron has arrived in Toulon, ready to exact revenge, layered with the exquisite tension and heart-stopping romance. All This Twisted Glory is the explosive third book in the captivating best-selling Woven Kingdoms series. Wow, that sounds really good. And I love the artwork. Alright, well that's it for this box. And I will be back with another one, so stay tuned.